Microsoft Excel, there's a lot of ways to split or extract the full name, which is first name, middle initial, and the last name. Now, I will discuss to you in details. First, we will extract the first name. We will use trim function, left, substitute, and rep function. So before we will proceed, I will discuss to you one by one what is the use of this function. First, this trim. As you can see here, Rinaldo Oda Corvera, there is a one space in between my name and my middle initial. So I will try to insert another space here, another space here. Then we will use the trim function. So if I will type trim, I will show you this is the description. Trim removes all the spaces from a text string except for a single spaces between words. So meaning this one there is a spaces here, not only one, because we inserted another space here. So if we will use this trim, it will remove whatever extra spaces in between middle initial and my name, and leave single spaces between these three words. So we'll proceed. Trim, then open parenthesis, and I will select this one, close. If I hit enter, look, it's showing, it's clear. Here, this is with extra spaces, and here, this is the correct or the proper spaces divided into my full names. So clear. So this is the trim function. So I will copy this one and I will fix it. So that's the use of trim. Now we will explain this left. This one, left function. This left function, obviously this is left from here. If I will type left, look the description. Left returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. So meaning from the start. So starting here, Rinaldo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll use that one, left. Then I will hit tab. Now we have two arguments, which is text and number of characters. First argument, text. So we will select this text, then separate by comma. Now asking for number of characters. So in order to extract my first name, so I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will put 8 and close parenthesis, enter. So it's separated only our first name, so it looks good. So however, if we will copy this formula, drag it down, look what happened. So there is included of middle initial. So not only the first name, which is we supposed to split our first name, meaning this left function is not enough to extract all the names here. We can make it one by one, but imagine if you have 100 employees or list of names, so it's take time for you to extract. So we need another function. So we have finished these two functions, and now a substitute function. So I will put here im OOD or mode, that one. Now we will use the substitute function. I will equals, then substitute. Again, I will show you I will read to you the description. Substitute replaces existing text with a new text in a text string. So we will continue. I will press tab. Then I will say, look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 arguments. First is the text. So we will select this text, then comma. Next is the old text. So meaning the old text, I will make it bigger because it's not showing the mode. Again, I will type trim. I substitute rather text. This one is our text. Then comma. In every argument, we need to put comma. Now asking all text. So meaning this is our old text. This one. im OOD. So I will type the old text, which is I will put double quote, because if we are handling of a character or letter alphabet, we need to put double quote. Then the old text is O, this one. Then double quote. Then I will put comma. Now asking for new text. So this is our old text OOD. Now we will substitute or change to new text. Let's say I will put A. So this is our new text. Then another double quote. Then close parenthesis. Look, this one it's showing whatever 0 O character, the old O character, we will change to or substitute into A. Look what happened if I enter. Look, it's showing mid. Again, I will press F2. Now we need to add another argument or instance number. Let's say we will only substitute the number 1 or this one. So if I will put 1 here, look, I type only 1. I did not put double quote because we are handling with the numbers. So what happened if I hit enter? Look, it's showing here the old is O. We substitute to A only this first letter O. That's why it's showing moon. If I change this one to 2, instead of MAOD, it will showing MOAD. I will hit enter. Look, this is the use of substitute. Now we are almost finished for this 4 function, which we will use to split our first name. Although this is take time, but if you have already a formula, just copy and paste down. Again, we have finished this substitute. Now I will explain to you also the reft function. Now we will use that function. Equal ref. I will select this one so that I will show you and I will read to you the description. Ref repeats text a given number of times. Use ref to fill a cell with a number of instance of text string. So number of instance. Okay, I will hit tab to use this one. Now we have 2 arguments. I will type double quote and I will type also this asterisk, then I will type double quote. So now we have a double quote with the asterisk. I will type comma. So number of times, so meaning this is repeat, as what the description said, that is repeat of instance. So I will put 5, meaning this, the result of this one, it will make 5 asterisk. I will press close parenthesis. Look, if I hit enter, it's showing 5. If I will put 10, it's showing also 10. Another, I will type to 5. Any character you can choose or you can put. Example, I will put $sign. If I hit enter, it's showing also the $5 sign. If I put 10, it's showing also $10 sign. Then another example, let's say 25,000. This is this 25,000. I will put equal, then ref, this one, tab. Now I will put the asterisk here, comma, then I will select this here, then divide, let's say 5,000. So meaning this one, this text, this is 25,000, divide 5,000, so it will give you the result of this one. I will hit enter. This is 5 asterisk. If I put this one is 30,000, look what happened. It will showing 6 asterisk. Look. So if you have data which you need to hide your salary or this amount just to show, if you want to show the level, you can just hide this one and show only here. If you need to calculate the rank of your example, this one is with 25,000. If I copy this one, so there is a difference here. This one is the rank 1 and this the rank 2. So this is how to use the ref. most of this one, we are using these functions. That's why I explain to you one by one so that we can proceed here, not explaining this one. So now I will use that one to extract our first name. Let's take a look. I will type equal, then I will use trim, then I will hit tab, then I will use left function. So instead of typing the number of characters, I will use the substitute here. Substitute. Then I will put again trim just to remove the extra spaces. Then I will select the text. Look, this is the argument. I will select the text here. Then close parenthesis. I will put a comma. Then I will put the double quote space, double quote that emphasize the space, that one. Now whatever the space here, we will repeat we'll use this repeat function. Then again I will put the text, which is the space we will consider as text numbers. Then I will put 255. This 255, this is the maximum character of each column. Again, this 255, this is the maximum number of characters in the column. So whatever the extra spaces after selecting this left function, we will substitute into whatever the blank here, and it will convert it to space, so that it will extract only the name, first name, and this one we consider this one, or we will substitute into blank. Okay, now I will type the close parenthesis and another close parenthesis, comma, then I will put the number of characters, which is 255, the maximum length. Then I will type close parenthesis for the trim, and I will put another close parenthesis to close all of these arguments, and I will hit enter. Now we have my first name extract. So before, if we will drag that left function only, it's showing not accurate because here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My name is different number of characters than the other names. However, if we will use this function, if we will drag it down, look what happened. It's extract only the first name.